So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Buffalo. And pretty much what this is a stainless steel steam rack that you can use to steam stuff in your rice cooker. You guys can probably even use this inside your wok if you guys want to steam stuff in there, but this is mainly meant for the actual rice cooker itself that you guys can use for the Buffalo rice cookers. Let me actually do a quick unboxing of the product first to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. You guys can see. It's really cool how they provide this little handle that's built on the actual product itself, so you guys can actually lift it out from the rice cooker and you won't burn yourself or whatever. But as you can see that the bottom has all the holes so it can actually drop out or leak out any of the water that you guys don't want on the actual product itself. So you can put like a bowl of rice or like some kind of bowl of like vegetable or something you guys want to steam up using the rice cooker. But for me, I actually been using this to kind of like steam some baos or breads and buns. So let me actually show you that test video really quick, and then we'll come back and talk more about this product in a second. But what you guys want to do is add in some water first before turning on this option, or else it won't work correctly or it's not really steaming anything, because if you guys are steaming your bun. So I'm going to be making some steamed buns, which is the char siu bao on here. So let me do that first. So you guys want to press it down on this one and turn it on. So let's add in some water first. You just want to add a good amount, enough so that you guys can actually steam the actual bun inside. So I think that amount should be good. Alright, so here we have the steam rack ready. We're gonna steam some of these buns right here. So this is what the inside looks like, if you guys can see. Alright, so we're gonna add the buns in here and then we're gonna steam it for roughly around 10 minutes or so. So let's do that first. Open it up, you have to see that steaming. So you just want to lift up like this, and it fits perfectly, if you guys can see, into here. So we're just gonna leave it in for roughly around 10 minutes or so, and then just come back and check on it in 10 minutes. Alright, so the product is done. It's been roughly around 10 minutes or so. Let's lift it up and see how it looks like now. It's all ready. Super hot and everything. So now what we can do is get a glove or whatever and just remove it using this rack right here. And just take it out and we can start eating it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw that quick test of the product itself, you guys can see it actually works really well and really easy to use. All you guys kind of have to do is just press that steam button to actually activate it and use it. And if you guys noticed, that was actually one of my old rice cookers that I used from the Buffalo brand. And if you guys saw my most recent video, I actually tested the brand new one. So I want to keep using the old one for now since I still have the old one and save the new one for next time. But both of them work the same way. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and a quick testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to be a little bit more healthier and start steaming stuff instead of like frying stuff or whatever, then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.